This is the video to learn how to fix File Explorer crashing problem in Windows 11. So search regedit registry editor. Now here guys you need to expand this HK current user, then software, then classes. Now here scroll down and find out local settings. This one, expand it, local settings, then software, then expand Microsoft, Windows, Shell, then expand Shell. Here you will get this folder, big RMU, right click on it and delete it. Now exit and restart your PC. So this is the way guys you can fix Explorer problem in Windows 10, Windows 11. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.